I think over the years, there's a significant increase in the number of wireless channels that are being utilized, be it in the corporate space, educational space, or stage performance-wise. I think there's also a change in the regulatory requirement where spectrum utilization has been decreasing, particularly in the space of WMS. I think one of the technology breakthrough that we have offered in terms of this trend is the AD-PSM wireless system, which is the Axiom Digital Personal In-Ear Monitoring System, which caters for the needs of live performance. On top of that, Shure has also developed the new SLXD4 quad channel receiver, which factors in a wideband tuning, again aligned with regulatory compliance, and also factor with Dante connectivity and audio summing. I think these SLXD4 quad receivers will continue to allow us to provide greater user experience in the space of mid-tier wireless solution. So coming this InfoComm Asia, we are also continuing to expand our reach and offering in the conferencing space. This time around, we are going to showcase the IntelliMix Room Kits, which was just launched recently. We are also happy to share that the IntelliMix Room Kit is also being included in the MDEP program, which namely the Microsoft Device Ecosystem Platform. This allowed us to meet the standards, be it in the security aspects of Microsoft, as well as the exceptional audio quality in the use case of Microsoft Teams Room. Shure is also celebrating our 100 years anniversary this year. I think what we're trying to do at InfoComm Asia was also to take this opportunity to factor not just as a celebration from Shure, but also towards the market where we can engage them and allow them to be part of this celebration.